This is a caller ID landline telephone with very shiny surface. Inside it has two tail lamp ports. If you want to connect another telephone, you can use a telephone line to connect this device to another more telephone. And the button supporter, you can find it very convenient. There's no battery casing, so it works without batteries. The supporter will make this like in high position, and you can find you can check it very clearly when you sit down here. You can find it. It's very convenient to use. It has 16 digital display. Can find it. 16 digital. It has a hands-free. Here, you can call the number. Here, find number. Can hear? Hello? 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 Yeah? Let's take out the handset. Hello? 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 I hope you will love this model. It's very popular for most customers. Thank you.